Hey everyone, it's Julia from Wig Review Central at Shirley's Wig Shop. We have a special feature for you today, the Belle Tress London High Tea Wig. This is a gorgeous blunt cut, deconstructed, modern beach wave style. It has asymmetrical, wispy bangs, which I really love. Best of all, just because it has bangs doesn't mean it can't have a lace front. And this lace front is extended. It also has a center monofilament part, both of which are hand-tied. Now, you must know that Shirley's Wig Shop has a flash sale for this style going on right now. You can get 30% off by using the code GORGEOUSU. So you'll want to shop for London High Tea at shirleyswigshop.com. Now let's talk more about this gorgeous new style. London High Tea's wig cap features an extended sheer lace front that is 100% hand-tied and transparent. You have a 100% hand-tied monofilament center part. On either side are adjustable velour ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. On either side of the sleek velour nape are bra-like adjusters that allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to ½ inch. The cap size is average. It fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. And this wig fits me perfectly right out of the box with the adjusters on the loosest setting. I think it's more appropriate for someone who is a petite average to average head size. If your head size is 23 inches or higher in circumference, I don't think this would be a comfortable fit. The fiber is a heat-friendly fiber. There is no shine, and I absolutely love the BelleTress heat-friendly fiber. It's easy to heat style using a heat tool up to 350 degrees. Now what's great about that, if you receive London High Tea right out of the box and the wispy bangs are askew or going in different directions, have no fear. You plug in your curling iron on a medium-low setting if it doesn't have degrees, and you go ahead and heat style the bangs to lay in the way that you would like them to. Easy fix. The fiber is also very dense. This wig weighs 5.5 ounces, which tells you all of the density. Although it doesn't feel heavy, it's a very comfortable wig to wear. Well, let's talk about this beautiful lace front. The lace front is extended. I love that the knots are small. The lace is sheer. Just gorgeous. The center monofilament part is very well done. If you wanted the parting space to be wider, you could carefully pluck along the part space. Let's take a look at this beautiful style from all sides. Let's talk about this fantastic new Belle Tress color. This is new for 2022, TRES LECHES Blonde. It's a rooted blonde, and it's a light and bright blend of honey blonde, satin creamy blonde, with pale ash blonde highlights throughout. The rooting is a medium golden brown. In my opinion, the satin blonde is predominant, so to me this is a slightly cooler color with a little bit of warmth. London high tea also comes in high fashion colors such as iced lavender latte and graphite. To get a better idea of the color, let's go outside in natural light. You have plenty of styling options with London high tea. Since it's heat friendly, you could add barrel curls or you could straighten it, whatever your heart desires. This style also looks very pretty, tucked behind the ear. I also like it when it's worn in a low ponytail, which is perfect for hot weather days, or if you're out running errands. Maybe you have a game of tennis to play with a girlfriend before lunch. Very pretty. You can take a barrette, pull the bangs up out of the face, and secure it with a barrette. For off-the-face styling. You can also pump up the volume just by using your fingers and teasing up the wig fibers. You could always use some wig spray or a little bit of got-to-be-glued styling gel just to give this style more oomph. Thank you so much for watching this wig review featuring the new BelleTress style London high tea. Be sure to visit shirleyswigshop.com for the best sales and check out the clearance section where you can find some incredible deals. Thank you also for subscribing and supporting my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.